Today I'm showing you a very common problem on Mercedes W140 climate control. Every time you turn the key, the climate goes to maximum fan speed and 29 degrees. At first it looks like a big problem, maybe blower regulator or climate control unit. This problem is not only on W140, it can also happen on other Mercedes models like W124, W202, R129 and even some early W208 models with similar climate control systems. The issue was blown fuses, specifically fuse 18 and fuse 21. These fuses supply constant power to the climate control unit. When they are blown, the system loses memory every time you turn off the car. So when you start the car again, it resets to default settings, maximum temperature and full fan speed. After replacing these fuses, everything works normally again. The climate control now remembers the last settings, so before you replace expensive parts, always check your fuses first. This can save you a lot of time and money. If this saved you time and money, leave a like and subscribe. I post real fixes from the garage. No guessing, just solutions.